Excited about this fight.
I'm hyped about this fight too. I like to tell the tape. It seems pretty even. The 10-pound difference. Height isn't that bad.
Yeah, I think it's a good fight, okay.
To be honest, Troy White's performances, they don't satisfy me. I don't think he's a good boxer, so I'm gonna go with whoever the shaved head dude is.
Maybe not.
Alexander Petrovsky.
Making his debut today, yes, sir.
Debut destined to be great. Let's see if he can.
Troy White, not his first time being 0-1-0.
My spirit will destroy him.
We got Cupcake in the background.
My spirit will destroy him. Yeah.
Pretty entertaining so far.
Alright.
Where are you sitting the dick before
Ready?
you, bro?
You'll hear it.
First round.
Not yet.
Alright, let's see.
Round 1.
Alright, first round of 4, 3-minute rounds.
Troy's using his jab. Oh, save dude.
Some wide punches, not very skillful so far, but I mean this is all for entertainment, so we'll see what they can bring to the table so far.
Troy's just on his back foot right now, really just, having trouble closing that distance.
Alexander's amazing.
Alexander turning his back on his opponent, never a good sign. Oh, a punch.
2, 3, 4.
Just overwhelmed him right there, really.
6, 7, 8.
I think that was just messing around for both of them, but it was a nice knockdown, to say.
Yeah, I don't think he's hurt from it. I think, he should continue pretty normal. Just the pressure got to him.
You can always see when somebody's hurt by their legs, and he seems moving. Other knockdown. And these knockdowns, they're not big knockdowns, but they're just flash knockdowns.
Oh, he barely.
That's the second knockdown in round 1. That already makes it a
10-6 round.
10-7.
10-7, yeah, my bad. I don't know why I said 10-7.
I mean, yeah, the pressure's just overwhelming Troy at this point. He's just getting swarmed basically every time he gets up and just goes down again.
This fight has no KD rule, so we'll see how long.
Let's go, baby. Well, there's your winner right there. Told me the pressure overwhelmed Troy, and Alexander got the W at the end.
First round knockout for Alexander. Very impressive.
He just brought the pressure to him, really.
Overwhelmed him, really. Connected.
Good right there. I mean, he took advantage. He turned his back, and he took advantage with the right hand, so.
I feel like it was destined to happen even if he didn't get that last knockdown.
4 jabs, 1 power shot for Troy, 6 out of 15 lands for Troy, and 40% accuracy. Alexander, 1 jab missed, 3 out of 10 for power shot, 4 for 13, 31% accuracy.
That was a great fight, to be honest. I hope we see Alexander back. Maybe he can fight the winner of this main event right here.
Absolutely.
Gary McWhipple looking very different. Like last time we saw him, he was chubby, lost a lot of weight for this fight. So we'll see if he's able to carry the power that he had when he was up in weight. Let's see if lower weight class. This is for a title too.
And let's also see how his chin holds up as well, losing weight. We all know, like, we see fighters' chin kind of go when they cut weight. So who knows how that's gonna, play out for him. And we already seen, for me that Nigel Berry got the power, so.
Very even fight. I want to say that I want Gary McWhipple to win, but I'm very confident in Johnson being able to win. We all saw what he did versus Yi Ling after being beat down.
I'm not losing.
Very confident.
There's the confidence. He lost his last fight to Chris Alvarez, which is a very great fighter as well. trying to seek amateurs now instead of doing this fight league, which is great. So Johnson Niggleberry, it wasn't his fault getting knocked out. He got knocked out by a great fighter. So we'll see how he comes back tonight.
I mean, Johnson seems very confident in his comeback. He's kind of waiting for this, you know?
We also saw the confidence in his walkout versus Chris, and we all saw what happened. So we'll see if he can back this up.
I mean, we definitely know Johnson can start. You know, we've seen it against the Yi Chaoling fight.
We did.
So you can never count him out. Gary looking slim, though.
Yeah, very slim.
Hit him with the mute. He's mewing.
He's mewing.
Looks nice.
Confidence. I love the confidence so far. I feel like his walkouts having more confidence already than Johnson, but we'll see.
Both guys definitely came here to win. You know, you can see in their face.
We've seen a lot from confidence. Confidence is always key stepping into a fight.
I'm getting that win. That's all me. That's all me. Don't do that shit. It's done.
A little bit of a grudge match.
This fight was bound to happen before Hurricane took a break, but now it's happening in the main event. Underdog.
Gary opens up as the underdog here. Wow.
On the right.
1-0 with 1 knockout.
Former champion of Hurricane Promotions, John Niggleberry.
1-1, 1 knockout. This fight is very even for me, but I just feel like Gary McWhibble won't be able to pull it off. I hope he does, though.
Let's see, 6 rounds.
First 6.
So, Johnson already measuring that distance.
Ooh, good hook. I don't think it connected.
Johnson shows up.
You know, Johnson shows up a lot like that. We saw it in the Yi Chaoling fight whenever he gets caught or he's getting wobbled.
That one seemed to hurt him. Oh, shit.
Hey. 1, 2,
It looked like it connected right on the nose.
4, 5, 6.
I'm not sure if it was the nose or the eye.
Yeah.
No, it might have been the eye. Squinted.
Yeah, I think it's the eye.
It's good to continue.
He was showing up a little
He
bit.
has to or more keep Gary off him. If not,
Johnson's very unorthodox from what I'm seeing so far. Oh, a good hook.
trading shots right there. Gary looks a little bit dazed from that right hand landed by Johnson.
I love Johnson. You know, he's keeping his hands up at all time, and so is McWhibble, but they're both trading.
Good head movement right there. Makes him miss 2 shots.
Gary needs to take advantage. John. Right hook to the body. There's a little.
You know, Johnson's ducking good, but right now I just saw a duck that he did, and he put his head down.
Quick
Never
right hook
good.
that lands. Gary swarms him.
Niggleberry.
I mean, Johnson's definitely moving. Good
Oh,
counter shot right there. Ooh.
Good head move.
Oh, shit, okay.
Johnson's doing great defensively, but you can't always win fights by being defensively or round. So I feel like McWhibble's winning so far.
Yeah, I would agree with that. You know, McWibbles, he's landing more still.
He's
So.
more, and he's putting the pressure on. So I feel like it's very convincing. But we'll see what the judges think at the end of the fight if it goes the distance.
You know, and this is scheduled for 6 rounds too, so maybe Johnson's plan could be kind of to tire him out and just take him to the deep end. Who knows?
Who knows? I mean, we've seen. I'm not seeing the power that I saw from McWhibble before, but
And he kind of looks already gassed. You know, hands are low. Johnson still has his hands high. It's gonna be interesting to see how this plays out.
He's pawing up.
Good counter right there. Pull that right by Johnson.
Johnson's having great counters this round. I would love to see Johnson go to the body a little bit more. To be honest, I feel like McWhibble was leaving it too open.
Feints by Johnson.
There's gonna be
Just reading his opponent.
10-second warning.
10 seconds will
10
Eight.
seconds. See if
counter
McWilble,
right.
Pretty even round, to be honest.
pretty even round. I think I'm gonna have to give it to McWilble.
Personally, I kind of think Johnson got that round.
That was the shot. That was the shot. A grazing shot. You know, it just grazed him, but it got him really good on the eye.
Okay, let me see.
I'm liking what I see so far.
Perfect shot, to be honest. Just beautiful right hand.
Just a little graze, and you know it didn't hurt Johnson, but it made him curious for a second.
Definitely made him respect, McWilble coming forward. That's when after that, you started seeing him move more, moving his head, trying not to get hit. So
I loved it.
Good
that
counter
beautiful
right.
pullback right counter landed by Johnson.
A lot of counters, but we also saw the aggressiveness from McWilble, which I think won him that round. Just because of the start of it. If Johnson does the countering and movement that he was doing in the first round, I feel like he can win this round.
Johnson aims for the body and misses with the right hand.
Look at that head movement by Johnson. It's beautiful, but he's getting connected.
Oh,
McWilble connecting.
Good right hand to get Gary off him.
And I love
Another
how
reset.
good by that.
they're not wasting their power, you know, they're selecting their shots well, from what I've seen. Johnson
Yeah,
having
both guys are definitely taking their time too.
more experience than McWilble, but it doesn't seem like
I'm not liking this switch to southpaw from McWilble here.
I mean, either he got thrown off balance by it.
they're not balanced. I mean, McWilble could have taken advantage right there.
Liking what I see when he's southpaw offense.
I think Johnson is a very
Oh,
unorthodox fighter.
good punch.
That's what I like to see.
right there.
Gary going downstairs. Wibble shows up. Go downstairs to the body where he's open.
Good jab to the body.
He's
Barely missed that.
Good right hand goes to the guard too.
Great hooks. I want to
That-
see
I love the
Johnson
little-
maybe uses reach.
Yeah, it seems like he's kind of struggling just distance in general.
It seems McWibble's trying to headhunt, and he's also hunting them pretty well.
I like the head move.
Yeah, it's definitely Johnson's strong suit in this fight we've seen so far as his head movement. And he should keep his head off the center,
It seems
slipping
like
out the way of punches coming, rolling with them.
Johnson out, but you can never count him out. We saw what happened with Yi Ling. I hear heavy breathing.
Yeah, it looks like it's coming from both guys too. They definitely look more physically fatigued
Okay, I like
in the first
that.
round.
Oh,
Shots connecting for Gary.
Some shots. Let's see if
Johnson covers up.
Let's see if
Heavy
McWibble.
left that lands.
Let's see if McWibble can put a stamp on this ending round.
I mean, for me,
31
Johnson has to throw something if he wants to win the round. He's kind of been inactive this second round, and I'd have to give it to McWibble.
will this become a knockdown?
Gotta keep him off, and Johnson has to throw something that would make McWibble respect.
I
Keep him
think
from forming.
Johnson's game plans, his fights, is getting his opponent to be too comfortable, leaning in with the shot.
I would have to give that round to McWibble.
I would give that round to McWibble as well, but you never know. Look at those great
Beautiful
shots.
combo right there. He kind of set it up with the body shot, and then
Great
went
shot
upstairs. So
from Johnson. I feel like both men respect each other, but Johnson isn't showing anything for McWibble to respect him so far.
absolutely, I agree with that 100%. And Johnson has power. We've seen it in his previous fights. So he just has to land a good power shot on McWibble and keep him off him.
Hey,
He's gassed. You don't know if he'll be able to land a power shot.
tell us when to go then.
The bell.
Till the bell.
Both guys are ready to fight right there, as you saw.
They are. You know, none of them drinking water, none of them sitting down. It's just gonna cause them to fatigue a little bit more, but
Knockdown right there by Gary.
you know, and they aren't power shot knockdowns. They just seem, you know, catching the fighters off balance or just flash knockdown. They call it.
Johnson gets back up, but will he continue is the question. No, it's done. And there's your winner by knockout, Gary McWibble.
This is a beautiful outstanding.
He's the new title holder now.
And the underdog just won too. He came in as an underdog. Johnson was the favorite, and you gotta put some respect on McWibble. But the question is, who is next?
I would love to see him versus Alexander. I mean, I think that would be a great fight for the next card.
Me personally, I would want to see McWibble versus Yi Chao Ling.
That would be great.
Both guys have skill, you know. Yi Chao Ling more on the technical side, but he did get finished by Johnson. But he's definitely more technical. So
Oh, he has
that's a fight I would like.
2 KOs. Beautiful performance.
Johnson was the more accurate fighter in this fight too. But it just seemed like he was kind of struggling with his gameplay. And you could see 24 out of 46, Johnson just didn't throw as much.